Forgetting someone you love can be a challenging and emotional process, but with time and effort, you can gradually heal and move on. Here are some steps you can take to help you in this process. Acknowledge your feelings. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with the breakup or the end of the relationship. It's natural to feel sadness, anger, or confusion. Give yourself permission to experience these emotions and understand that they are a part of the healing process. Accept the reality. Accept that the relationship has ended and that you need to let go. Avoid dwelling on what-ifs or holding on to false hope. Embrace the fact that it's time to move forward. Cut off contact. Consider limiting or eliminating contact with the person you're trying to forget. This includes avoiding social media stalking or checking their profiles. Remove reminders of them from your environment, such as photos or gifts. If possible, communicate your need for space and distance to the person, so they understand your perspective. Focus on self-care. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Exercise regularly, eat well, and get enough sleep. Consider practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing to help manage stress and anxiety. Surround yourself with support. Seek the support of friends, family, or a therapist. Share your feelings and thoughts with trusted individuals who can provide a listening ear and offer guidance. Joining support groups or engaging in activities with like-minded individuals can also be helpful in redirecting your focus and building new connections. Set new goals and create a new routine. Set new goals for yourself and work towards them. This could be pursuing a new hobby, focusing on your career, or taking up a new skill. Establish a routine that keeps you engaged and prevents excessive rumination about the past. Practice self-reflection. Take time to reflect on the relationship and your own growth. Consider what you learned from the experience and how it can help you in future relationships. Use this as an opportunity to develop a better understanding of yourself and your needs. Give it time. Healing takes time, and there is no fixed timeline for moving on. Be patient with yourself and understand that the intensity of your feelings will lessen over time. Accept that healing is a gradual process. Remember, everyone's healing journey is unique, and it's important to be gentle and kind to yourself throughout the process. If you find that your feelings persistently interfere with your daily life or well-being, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor.